Today's class, we are going to look at the different types of charts. And the most popular types of charts are 1. Line charts. Line charts. 2. Bar charts. 3. Candlestick charts. Okay, so have you downloaded your MT4 or MT5s? You've downloaded your MT5. Okay, so in that case we are going to look at the line charts. Okay, so we will wrap this and look at the line chart. So in simple terms, a line chart draws from one closing price to the next closing price. So what do I mean? What I mean is, let's say for example you have this closing price. Okay, yeah. The next price you have that closing price, the next one here, the next one here, the next one here, the next one here, and here and here. So if we strung these closing prices together, it will form a line chart. Okay, and this will help us to see the general price movement. Look at this. This is one closing price to the next. All right, if we strung this to this and consequently like this, all right, this one will help us to see the general price movement of a currency pair over a period of time. Okay, so this is the graphical representation of a line chart. Can I see your MT5? Yes, that is correct. So that is a line. That is a line chart. Okay, yes. Good. So in the next segment we are going to look at a bar chart. Okay, this is as simple as a line chart gets. All right, the disadvantage of the line chart, it does not show you wicks or shadows when you are doing your analysis. So secondly, we are looking at the bar charts. Okay, can someone tell me what a bar chart is and how does it look in your charts? Look at your MT5. Ideally a bar chart will look like that. Okay, and you will find something like that and like that. All right, yes. So this one represents the highest price. Okay, what about this? This one is the closing price. All right, and this one is the opening price. Okay, and this one is the lowest price. All right, so in this example, this is a bullish bar. All right, this is a bullish bar. Why am I saying a bullish bar? Because you have your open price here and it closes up there. All right, so this is a bullish bar. Okay, so a bar chart also shows price highs and lows. All right, so the bottom of the vertical bar here indicates the lowest traded price for that time period. Okay, yes. What about the top of the bar? The top of the bar indicates the highest price traded. Okay, yes. Good. So this vertical line, are you seeing it? The vertical line indicates the currency pair trading range as a whole. So this is the trading range. Let's say for example this is a daily candle. So this is the trading range for the whole day. All right? Yes. Good. Are you seeing these horizontal hashes? These horizontal hashes. Okay? So the horizontal hash on the left side of the bar is the opening price. Okay, So this one is the opening price, and the horizontal hash on the right side is the closing price. All right?
Yes.
Any question about that? Any question about that? We are shifting to the candlestick. So this is the bar chart. Okay?
Yes.
Next we are looking at candlestick charts. All right? So at number 3, we are looking at candlestick charts. Okay?
Yeah.
This is where we are going to dwell on most of the time. All right? This is the most popular type of charts. Okay? So simply, candlestick charts shows the same information as a bar chart. Okay? But in prettier graphic formats. All right? So a candlestick bar still indicates highs and lows of vertical line. So let me draw a representation of the candlesticks. Okay? So in this case, this is a bar. All right? So that is a candlestick bar. We have this one and that one. Okay? In the same spirit, we have another bar here. This is too big. We have a wick here and a wick there. All right?
Yes.
Okay? So this one represents what? The body of the candlestick. Okay? Remember, this one is a bullish candlestick. This one is bullish and this one is bearish. All right?
Yes.
Good. So in this case, this price here is our opening price. All right? So here is our opening price because it's bullish. Bullish, they open low and they close high. All right? So this one is our closing price. All right? Good. And what about this one? This one is a wick. All right? So this is the upper wick or the upper shadow. Okay? This is the upper shadow. All right? And this one is the lower shadow. All right? So remember, this is what you are seeing on your MT5 charts right now. This one is our highest price. Okay? And this one is our lowest price. All right? So ideally, you can set these charts any color that you want. All right? But mostly what you're seeing over there is green color. All right? So this one you'll find most of the time it is shaded green. So when you see a green body on your charts, you know that that is a bullish good. All right? So let us look at a bearish candle. All right? So a bearish bar, what you see here, this one represents body. Okay? And we say that in a bearish bar, this is the opening price. All right? So this one is our opening price. And this one, our closing price. All right? This one indicates the upper shadow. All right? While this one is the highest price. All right? This one is the lower shadow, while this one is the lowest price that it was traded during that range. So in a bearish candle, mostly from your chart there, you can see that this bar is what color? Color red. Okay? So mostly we will find that this bar is a red bar. Okay? a red bar. Is that clear? So the purpose of candlestick charting is strictly to serve as a visual aid. Okay? Since it has the same exact information that appears on the same bar charts. All right? So the blue or the green compared to the red on a bearish market, they only act as visual aids. All right, so you may know when the market is bullish or bearish, when we are in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Okay, any questions about this? We are now going to look at the advantages of using candlestick charts compared to line and bar charts. All right, so the first advantage of using candlestick charts is that they are very easy to interpret. All right, look at this. You see a green bar, you know it's bullish. A red bar, you know it's bearish. Okay, and they are very good place for a beginner to start figuring out their charts analysis. Okay, the line charts and the bar charts, they are used by intermediate or professional traders. Okay, but mostly for beginners we use the candlestick charts. All right, another advantage of candlestick charts is that they are very easy to use because our eyes adapt very fast to the colors. All right, immediately you see green bar, you know that we are in an uptrend. Red bars, you know that we are bearish. All right, good. So by using candlestick charts, we will come to learn of candlestick patterns. All right, so candlestick and candlestick patterns have cool names like shooting star. Okay, we're going to learn this in the next lessons, like shooting star and doji candles. Okay, doji candles. So by using candlestick charts and learning these patterns, they will help you to remember what the pattern meant. Okay, because like doji candles, they show us reversal patterns. Okay, good. So our next point, this one will lead us to our next point, and our next point is that the candlesticks are good at identifying market turning points. Market turning points. What do I mean by market turning points? These are reversal points. All right, reversal points. So we are reversing from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, or a downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so about the trending markets, we are going to learn them on subsequent lessons. Okay, so now that we have learned on the advantages of using candlestick compared to bar and line charts, we will mostly be using the candlestick charts. All right, any questions about this? Is everything clear? Good. Now we've come to the end of our today's class. In the next class, we are going to look at different candlestick patterns. All right? The reversal patterns and our continuation patterns. All right? So see you then.